Recently, I purchased an air cooler because the temperature has been rising. In this video, I'll share the issues I faced when I started using it and how I fixed them. The cooler has a 25-liter capacity and is powered by a high-capacity motor. On the first day, I filled the water tank and turned on the fan. Within 5 minutes, my room started smelling like a toilet. I was shocked and thought. I immediately turned off the fan, drained the water from the tank, and noticed a strong, unpleasant smell. Upon closer inspection, I realized the smell was coming from the filters. I opened the compartments on all 3 sides of the cooler and removed the filters. Unlike the old filters made of cloth or sponge, these were made of cellulose material. Nowadays, cellulose fibers are used because they effectively trap dust, pollen, and other particles, ensuring cleaner air. Being a natural material, cellulose is also biodegradable and environmentally friendly. However, the issue is that when new and wet, they can produce a bad odor similar to urine or a toilet smell. I decided to remove and wash the filters. They are attached to 3 sides of the cooler and can be removed. However, the side panels can't be fully removed because of a tube connected to the water pump. I wanted to remove only the filters without disconnecting the tube. I noticed the filters were secured with a meter string, which was difficult to pull with my fingers. So, I used a rope to pull the string from the panel, and after that, I was able to remove the filter blocks easily. I filled a large bucket with water and rinsed all the filters multiple times. The water changed color and smelled bad, so I discarded it, filled the bucket with fresh water, added some soap and shampoo, and soaked the filters for a while longer. This time, the smell was almost gone and much better. I left the filters in the soapy water a little longer and then rinsed them again with fresh water. Afterward, I reattached the filters to the panels and locked them in place. I filled the tank with fresh water, moved the cooler back to my living room, plugged it in, and turned it on. The bad smell was gone, and the air was much fresher. I hope this video helps you fix any bad smell issues and clean the filters in your cooler. Thanks for watching. Please support our work with a thumbs up and a subscription.